let's add a search to SearchLord. Before I get started, if you haven't seen this before, this is SearchLord. It's a sheet that lets you search all different types of sites with just one keyword. So if you want to search the same keyword on many, many different sites, this is how you do it. I've created a bunch of links to the search results of whatever keyword this is. So let's say we want to add one. We're going to add Craigslist right now. Now, we can insert a row here, insert a row below, and I'm just doing that because it's in this search area. If you want to just add at the bottom, you can. And I'm going to add Craigslist here, Craigslist. Now, the issue is with Craigslist is that they're always by some particular city. So I'm going to use Atlanta here as an example, atlanta.craigslist.org. People can change this if you want. So how to get the search? Well, let's go and search for something. Let's search for a free sofa. It's found in for sale. So it looks like we have to have the search in this format, atlanta.craigslist.org/SSS/question mark query equals then a word, free, then %20, which is the space, and sofa. So just need this. So if we go somewhere else, let's say we search for free car, it's going to do exactly the same. Search/SSS/question mark query. Great. So we should be able to take this and test it out. So let's say free and then %20 car. Let's see if that comes up with the exact same result. Great. It has. Let's look for, let's say something else. Let's look for search digital marketing. And there we go. So it's actually search BBBB. This is services. So it looks like changing this. Let's say we'll search for jobs, JJJ. So this part is the section or category. That's very interesting. So let's say this is Craigslist Atlanta for sale section. And so we're going to add at the end SSS, right? That was /search/SSS. Then in the URL bar, we're going to add $query equals, and here's where the magic of Google Sheets happens. We're going to take all of this, and we're going to do equals, and put it in quotes, and then add an ampersand, and we can try URL encode URL, and in parentheses put B2. And this now produces a URL that has %20 for the spaces. So let's see if there's any Craigslist Atlantis, any Google Sheets for sale. Probably not. Oh, there are. Oh, very different things. But there we can now search and add that and change the place URL here, Atlanta, to whatever URL you're using. Cool. So that's how you add a URL to SearchLord. Go down below in the description and get a link to SearchLord. It's absolutely free, by the way. It's one single sheet that you can search the entire web. You can get SearchLord now, absolutely free. It's great for keyword research, competitor research, all kinds of scouting, or even content ideation. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.